All right, A-Day, YVA, virtual day is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You are going to be looking at the APEX study 421. So as I was looking through that, I picked out 3 examples that I want to try to talk you through that maybe when you are looking in APEX, it might be a little confusing. So hopefully this will clear it up since you're not here. If not, we'll answer questions when you do get back on Monday. This looks blurry to me. I hope it doesn't look blurry to you. But on page 7, they give you these 2 equations right here. And this time you're still solving systems of equations, which means you're trying to find where these 2 lines intersect. And I know you can throw them into Desmos and you can see where they intersect. This is teaching you a method to do this called substitution. So this could possibly be something on the non-calculator active part of your EOC at the end of the year where you can't just use Desmos, where you have to use your paper and pencil. So substitution is exactly what it says. You're going to substitute one thing for another. So we could either put x plus 6 in the place of this y, or I could even put 3x plus 1 in the place of this y, because both of them say y equals this, right? So these 2 things must equal each other. So I'm just going to collect this in my pencil here, and we're going to plug it in for this y, because it says y is equal to that, so why can't I just put it there? I can. X plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 1, and then you solve that equation. I would subtract x from both sides, and that gives you 6 is equal to 2x plus 1. And then subtract 1 from both sides, and that gives you 5 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2, and you get x is equal to 2.5 or 2.5 or 5 over 2. In Apex, it puts it as a mixed number, 2.5. I like the decimal better. And then remember, we're finding an ordered pair. So I can't just find the x, I also have to find the y. The x is 2.5. How do you find the y? Use either one of these equations. This one looks easier, so I'm going to use it. It says y is equal to x plus 6, and x is 2.5, so 2.5 plus 6 is 8.5. So that's where those 2 lines intersect at 2.5 and 8.5, or 2.5, 8.5. There's another one on page 10 that looks like this. I'm probably going to run out of time, so I'm going to have to make one more short video. This equation is solved for y already, so it's the easiest one to use. I can just take this x plus 3 and plug it in for this y right here, and it would look like this. 3x plus 2 times y, which is this. So I need to put it in parentheses because we're going to end up distributing. And I'm going to use this to solve for x. So 3x plus 6x plus 6 equals 16. I'm sorry, that should be 2x, not 6x. And then 3x plus 2x is 5x. Subtract 6 from both sides. You get 5x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 2. So that's part of our ordered pair. That's the x. And then to find the y, it says y is x plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So that's the ordered pair where those intersect. I might can do this. My time is getting close, but I'm going to try. This is not in slope-intercept form, but you can easily put it in slope-intercept form. Just add 4x to both sides, and you get y is equal to 4x minus 2. And it doesn't actually have to be in slope-intercept form. You just need to have y solved for itself. But I'm so used to putting it in slope-intercept form, that's what I'm going to do. So 3x plus 2 times 4x minus 2 equals 7. And that'll give us 3x plus 8x minus 4 equals 7, which is 11x minus 4 equals 7. Add 4 to both sides. So 11x equals 11, so x is equal to 1. And so y is equal to 4 times 1 minus 2, which is just 4 minus 2, which is 2. So that ordered pair is 1, 2. Hope that helps.